We are in the office of the governor of Delta State to tell him that we Anioma people want Anioma State to be in the southeast. We are Igbo people.
Almighty, what do you have to say? Almighty.
I talk Anioma the southeast. We want Anioma State to be in the southeast as the 6th southeast state.
Do you know why I'm here? I'm here to let our brothers Igbos across the Niger that we want to unite with them.
Yes.
And we are happy to unite with our Igbo brothers.
Yes.
Today.
Anioma Igbo. Igbo.
Yes. Your Excellency, the governor of Delta State, and
well, Igbo is well. Igbo is well. You come and do your work. Let the governor know why we are here. Let them know why we are here. I should do. Wait, forget this is a pro issue.
The people that are here Anioma comprises of 9 local governments of Delta North, and at the same time our brothers have no relatives from Edo State. Ibaki, Iru, why are we here today? We are not a pro-government, what is it called, organization. These are Anioma youth. We are here to tell the state government that we are earnestly looking forward to see them support the bill for us to have a state called Anioma State. And we are still using this opportunity to reach out to all the legislators, the house members, the local government chairman, the councillors, and our reps, and of course, senators, that it is time all of them put their political differences aside and come together to fight for our collective interest. What is our interest? Our interest is to have Anioma as a state.
Yes.
And we re-emphasize and also say that nobody is taking capital away from Asaba.
Yes.
It is all fallacy. We want Anioma State, a state of our own. We are here to tell the state government to support the move. Of course, we all know that when Anioma State is created, we already have their own state.
Yes.
It is a game of equal.
Yes.
Let us play it so that it will be all good for every one of us. No one. Anioma Dimo! Anioma Dimo! I am here to speak on behalf of Anioma youth. You can see that this event today is almost 90% youth. The youth of Anioma have now come together and speak with one voice. The youth of Anioma are now more united than before. And our agitation is this, that we want Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast, and Asaba remains the capital.
Yes.
Now, I want to let the governor know that this is the time for him to intervene by making sure that the leaders of Delta North come together and speak with one voice.
Yes.
This is not the time for us to divide ourselves, because the people that started this struggle almost 70 years ago, Dennis Osadebe is here with us now.
Yes.
If my eye is open to see his spirit, Dennis Osadebe is very happy with us.
Yes.
Am I speaking the heart of the people?
Yes.
Dennis Osadebe is here with us.
Yes.
Expo is here with us.
Yes.
And many of them, they are here with us.
Yes.
So the youth are begging our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to please support the bill for the creation of Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast, to bring equity, bring fairness, bring justice, to balance the deficit in the southeast. And I want to let you know, if Anioma is zoned to the southeast, there is no negativity at all.
Yes.
And the southeast, they are not coming here to carry our land. They're not coming here to contest election with us. They're not coming here to become governor. Anioma will be ruled by Anioma people.
Yes.
Senators, Anioma people.
Yes.
House of Representatives, Anioma people.
Yes.
House of Assembly, Anioma people.
Yes.
Chairman, Anioma people.
Yes.
Tailors, Anioma people.
Yes.
Minister slots, Anioma people.
Yes.
So today, please, the whole world has seen that. Look at the cloud. We hear that we have the 9 local governments and our brothers and some banker. They are still here with us. So we are not joking. We want
Anioma State to be created. Mr. Bola, please help us. If you help us, go to the sermon, we will help you back. And I said my own.